Hey, this is Medicosis Perfectionalis. We will start talking about a completely different subject, which is acid-base disorders. This is not a chemistry class, it's not a mathematics class, it's a medicine class. So, we will not get very detailed in chemistry and so forth, but if you're studying chemistry, of course, this will help you. Let's get started. What is the pH, potential of hydrogen? And what's the hydrogen ion? What's the hydroxyl ion? We will know. So, auto-ionization of water. Water ionizes into the hydrogen ion and the hydroxyl ion. Perfect. The concentration of hydrogen ion produced by dissociation in pure water is 1 times 10 power negative 7 moles per 1 liter of water. But this number is huge. It's difficult. I have patients. So can you imagine that every patient that I'm trying to treat, I'll have to deal with this gigantinormous number? No. That's why we created the pH. The concept of pH, or the reason we have pH, is to facilitate this number. So instead of writing all of this, we can just write 7. Wow. How come? Let's know. So let's review some logarithms from your math class. 2 to the power of 3 equals 8. 2 to the third power equals 8. So the logarithm base 2 of 8 equals 3. So 2 to the power 3 equals 8. 2 to the third power 8. 2 to the third power 8. So what about this example? 10 to the third power is 1000. So logarithm base 10 to the 1000 equals, yes, 3. When the base is 10, we can neglect it. So when I say logarithm 1000, that means that the base is 10, even if I did not mention it. The answer is 3. So we said the concentration of the hydrogen ions after dissociation in pure water is 10 to the negative 7 power. That's good. So if I get the negative logarithm, okay, I didn't write anything here, so it's 10. Okay, this negative will cancel this negative. Okay, so 10 to the power of x equals the hydrogen ion concentration. So the hydrogen ion concentration is 10 to the 7th power. Here's the negative, okay? So 10 to the power 7. 10 to the power 7 equals the hydrogen ion concentration, and here is the negative. Perfect. So instead of writing 1 times 10 to the power negative 7, I can just write 7 as a pH. So the pH is 7. The hydrogen ion concentration is here, 1 times 10 to the power negative 7. So again, if the hydrogen ion concentration is 1 times 10 power negative 7, the pH is just 7. Perfect. Why? Because it's the negative logarithm of the hydrogen ion concentration. That's the pH, potential of hydrogen. So the pH is 7. That's the neutral. That's the water. Anything below 7 is acidic. Anything above 7 is basic. Okay, so neutral is 7, below 7 acidic, more than 7 is basic. However, when I'm talking about acid-base disorders, when I order an Ob.Gyn test and I get the pH of the blood, of the plasma, it's usually 7.35 to 7.45. That's the normal range. Okay, so forget about all of these numbers when I'm talking about blood. I'm talking about 7.35 to 7.45. That's the normal. Okay? Human beings are alive if the blood pH is between 7 and 7.7. Anything else, you're talking about dead meat. So, 7 to 7.7. That's the patient that you are dealing with. And I'm talking about the pH of the plasma that I get from the Ob.Gyn. Thank you, and see you next video.